My name is Michael Weber. I work for iSuite LLC, and I'm reviewing the MG52 products. We support construction sites. Some of these sites are in remote locations where we can't get internet in, or the length of the job will not justify the cost of bringing in a dedicated internet connection. We were using wireless hotspots, but this would require the users to use a VPN to connect into the network. Also, some of the wireless hotspots that we used had very limited capability. We deployed the MG52, along with other network equipment in these job site trailers, and it becomes an extension of our network over the SD-WAN and allows the users and these job site trailers to operate just like they are on the network here like at our headquarters. Performance, internet speed, signal strength. So far, I haven't really had any real issues with them. So from a user aspect, there's nothing for the user to do. It is just a provider of the internet source. For myself, they're very easy to set up. I don't have any real complaints over it. We use T-Mobile as our cellular provider, so there is some limitations on the signal strength and coverage. We could use AT&T, but the integration between the Meraki AT&T system and our pre-existing corporate AT&T account, there seems to be no integrations there. So that's where I would say the limitations are. I would prefer that the AT&T onboarding allows us to connect to our corporate AT&T wireless account. Oh, 10. We utilize it as for those job site trailers. So it is perfect for a small job site where you want to provide that internet coverage to those users of those job sites, especially if they're in a remote location. We've actually even used this as the secondary internet to supplement in case the primary fiber line went down. And in my experience, we've had a site go down and use this as the backup internet, and most of our users didn't even know. So as far as like cons, I don't really cost depending on the job site and the your budget. That would be, I guess, the only thing I would say to would justify not using it. But I don't have any reason to not use it. It's very easy to provision and deploy. Our partnership with T-Mobile makes it easy to just provision a SIM card, plug it into the device, and bring it online. Add it to the network. It's very simple. We've integrated the MX firewalls, MR switches or MR access points, and MS switches. Definitely from a cost perspective, we can recycle these when when a job is over. We can recycle this and move it on to the next job site. So we just pass the cost of the internet on to the next job site. We don't have to sign a contract with a cellular or not cellular, an internet provider. We're not stuck in a contract with those internet providers. It makes it very, very cost effective for our remote job sites, especially smaller job sites. Uh, it's a great cost benefit for us. Just really more limitations on the bandwidth as far as internet because you're still relying on cellular. We've used AT&T gateways. We've used Verizon gateways, and we find that the performance of the Meraki MGs are just superior to those products. Also, with the fact that it puts it on our network, we can create a site-to-site VPN over that connection with other devices. Just makes it a better product, and that it integrates into our current Meraki infrastructure. Just makes it superior to those others. Definitely keeps costs down on jobs, so it's definitely increases the profit margin on our jobs. Yes, 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 yes. Obviously, Microsoft the M365 suite, Druva for backup solutions is a really great product. We're using CrowdStrike right now. I've been pretty happy with them so far. Highly likely.